Hey, everybody. I hope you're doing well today. This is Brad Cartwright from Econ Course Companion reminding you to follow us on Instagram for daily posts related specifically to your studies of IB economics. This YouTube channel is designed to be your guide through your 2-year course of study. And while video lectures are helpful, and while what you learn in class is, of course, about 60% of what you need to know in order to be successful in the IB exam, there's 40% more that you need to have access to. And that is what you can find via Econ Course Companion on Instagram, because Instagram is going to be the vehicle through which Econ Course Companion shares with you daily posts about specific economic policies that will build your knowledge set, build your skill set so that you can be successful by integrating the theory you learn in class with real life situations that happen in the world around us. These decisions are made by economists, they're made by world leaders, and they affect us daily. And your task as an IB student is to connect the theory in class and the real world applications of those theories via the news. And Econ Course Companion via Instagram can be an incredible resource for you in order to bridge that gap. So click on the link below in the description box and we'll see you out on Instagram. I hope you're all doing well and we'll talk to you in a bit.